Hello, Your Highness. My name's Johannes.
I'm John.
We are Johannes and John. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa garage ngayon dahil tatanggalin natin itong stairs na to. Okay, let's remove that stairs. Okay, ilalagay lang natin sa labas guys. Okay, bakit namin tinanggal yung stairs dito? Kasi ipapasok po natin yung sasakyan dito. John will try it now. Do you want me to stay here?
You can. You'll have to get back where the whatchamacallit is. Back where the freezer is.
Here? Okay. So, si John itatry niya ipapasok dito kasi aalis tayo guys, di ba? Hindi naman natin basta-basta iiwan yung sasakyan natin sa labas. So, ayan. Itatry lang ni John kung mag-fit dito yung sasakyan. Yan, merong ano dito, oh. Sana hindi yan maanuhan. Okay, last time kasi ganito yung ginawa namin kasi hindi namin iniiwan sa labas. Not just for security reasons, but baka magkaroon ng mga... Okay, sige. Baka magkaroon ng malakas na hangin or what. Ayan. Pwede. Ayan, may malaking space dito, oh. Okay. That's good. Okay. Ayan. O, kasya. Kasya, darling. Ayan. O, good. Good siya. Maybe more? Yeah, more. Ayan, more. Hi, kuligsi ha. Okay, that's good. Up. Tapos ma-open pa na ni John yung door. Ayan. And makalabas pa siya. Perfect. Sige, itatry lang niya. I-try niya i-close. You will try to close it? Okay. Very close. Ayan. Ayun. Perfect. Ayan. Okay. Perfect. Naglo-laundry din kami ngayon guys. Pinapalaundry. Mamaya lalabhan natin yung shoes natin, yung mga damit na isusuot natin. Marami pa kaming damit sa Pilipinas kaya konti lang yung dadalhin naming shorts. Siguro 2 shorts and 2 pants lang kasi magko-cruise pa tayo, 'di ba? Hindi na kami mag-overpack guys gaya ng ginagawa namin sa mga previous cruise namin. Magre-repeat na lang kami ng isusuot. Oy, wala naman silang pakialam diyan. What you're going to hit? The refrigerator. Yes, you will hit it. Okay, stop. It's very close. It's very tight. Ayan, oh.
Oh, it's very tight. But before I close the door, because I didn't car.
Okay. Ito nga, oh. Malapit na nga siyang maano, darling, oh. Ay, oo. Kasi it's open. So for security reasons guys, at saka also para sa mga kung ano man ang mga posibleng mangyari like dito hurricane season, 'di ba, dito sa amin. Maraming mga magliliparan ng mga gamit. Kayang liparin ito ng hurricane. Oo. Good? Moving back? Okay. Kung hindi ka talaga experienced driver guys, no? Mahihirapan ka talaga sa ganito. Kasi it's very close, it's very tight eh. Ayan. Perfect. So wala na tayong hagdan dito kaya papanhik na tayo ng ganyan. Ayan. Uy guys, meron na lamang pala akong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na bags na available. So kung sino pa yung gustong hahabol, mag-message na kayo guys kasi ipapaship na natin ito today. And then ito naman, gagawin na natin ito. Ibabox na natin ito para mapaship na natin. Itong 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ito. Kasama ito sa ipaship natin ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Sino pa? Ito pa. Tet Navarro. Ayan. Anuhin ko muna ito lahat. Ipiprint ko na yung mga labels nila. Para tapos na, guys. Para maano na natin. Matanggal na natin ito dito. Ayan. Sino yung isa? Casual Marian. Wait lang. Si Casual Marian.
I'll put the stairs back.
May update na nga pala guys sa mga box na i-deliver sa akin. Ang sabi online, i-deliver daw siya today. Kaya naman, tinawagan ko yung aking dalawang kakilala para magpatulong ako sa kanila mamaya.
I like that mango. Curry mango.
It's very good.
Naalala ba ninyo yung mangga na hinarvest natin last week sa bahay ni Karen? Ito na siya guys, nahinog na siya. Hindi nga nag-yellow yung kanyang balat guys, no? Pero hinog na siya guys at akala ko ahat yung kanyang pagkahinog at hindi siya matamis. Pero matamis daw siya in fairness, sabi ni Jan.
A little lang. Kasi hindi pa ako. Mamaya sa kanin. Ala! Wow! So good!
Very good.
No? Okay.
I don't really.
This one is not too sweet.
I can just say this is one of the best. This is from Karen's house.
Hi guys, current update po. Si Jan ay gumagawa ng lunch ha. Current update sa mga boxes natin. Di ba? I'm expecting 8 boxes today. 7 lang po yung madideliver sa akin. May isa pa talaga na hindi nila i-deliver ngayon. Chinek ko yung tracking number. And then sabi delivery address changed. And then since Friday pa ganyan yung status niya. Kaya I'm very worried and I'm very stressed and I'm very lahat na. No? Lahat na ng adjective. No? Kasi syempre, we need to ship out all the items today or tomorrow. Tapos na nga ako dito sa iba eh. Kasi nga, mag-i-impake pa kami. Hindi pa nga kami tapos mag-impake, guys. Bukas na yung flight natin. Hindi, next day na yung flight natin. Ayan, okay na dito. Most of the boxes are done na para sa first and second shipping. And then, dito sa last, hopefully, today, 7 boxes, nag-hire na ako ng 2. Nag-hire na ako ng 2 para matapos na natin ito. Ito pa ang dami pa dito mga insulated, yung mga nakaraan na nag-order din ng sabon sa atin. So, ay grabe talaga. So magla-lunch muna ako, no? Magla-lunch muna tayo. Okay, anuhin muna natin. Sarap ng mangga ni Karen. Karen has one of the best mango.
Forgot my fork again. Right behind you. Right behind you.
Behind me.
Thank you.
Aha. Mag-open pa sana ako ng isa kaso nga lang too much na eh. Magkukok din kami ni Jan. Grabe naman ang pagpanit na yan eh. Very makapal ang pagpanit ni Johannes. Wala nang natirang unod. Green pa siya guys no, pero hinog na siya. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay na. Okay. Let's eat. I need kutsara. I need kutsara. Ay, naku guys. Sobrang stress talaga ako ngayon. Kung ano-ano mga naiisip ko ngayon guys. Kasi paano pag hindi dumating? Sarap there ha. I would order the same. This is really good. Chicken Florentine. Lagyan natin ng crunchy garlic. Message niyo ako ha pag gusto niyo ng crunchy garlic. Kasi magdadala ako from Pinas. Hi guys, good afternoon. Currently, it's 12:51 p.m. na. And tapos na akong mag-box for today's shipping. Hinihintay na lang namin yung 7 boxes. Check natin ang ginagawa ni John dito sa labas. I think naglagay na siya ng mga window shutters. Naglagay lang si John ng note dito. Hi, we have boxes to send today. Kasi just in case na hindi natin mabantayan ang pagdating ng mailman. And then busy lang din kami dito. Nilabas namin yung ibang mga gamit dito para magkasya yung ating sasakyan. And then, nandito na si John. Hi, John! Hi! Oh, hi! Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 for USPS. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ihahatid namin yan sa UPS, yung iba. And then may mga ibang insulated dito na naka-reserve pa. Hinihintay pa natin yung sabon kaya hindi pa natin siya mapaship. And then meron tayong ibang mga customers dito na 1, 2, 3. Ano ba ang kulang dito? I think ipapahold mo na nila ito. Pagbalik na lang daw namin galing sa bakasyon. Ipapaship. Okay? So, okay na lahat guys. Ay, 7 boxes lang ang darating ngayon. Nalulungkot talaga ako, nai-stress talaga ako kung bakit 7 boxes lang. And also, tatawag pa pala ako sa doktor ko kasi kulang yung medication. Ayan, tapos no refill na dito ang nakalagay. So I need to make an appointment again. Hopefully, kaya pa sa oras. Kasi wala na talaga, like 2 days na lang talaga guys. Mag-fly na kami ni John. Kasi kung kami-kami lang ni John guys, no? Walang mangyayari. Matagal kami matapos. Okay. Alright. Tawag tayo sa Publix.
Finally, sa araw na ito, dumating na rin ang matagal ko nang hinihintay na mga orders ko ng Christinang bags from Malaysia. At ang kala ko guys, 7 boxes lang ang darating sa akin. Nagulat nga din yung nag-deliver sa akin ng box na ito kasi sabi niya, 7 lang daw ang nakalagay sa kanyang system. Pero 8 ang boxes na dumating. Kaya naman nagpasalamat talaga ako guys, no? Kasi sabi ko, halaka, may mahuli na isang box. At hindi na natin kaya yan guys kasi flight na natin bukas. Buti na lang talaga guys, dumating ngayon ang 8 boxes na kompleto na. Kaya naman, ang gagawin ko ngayon guys ay tatawagan ko na si Ate Edith at yung isa pa naming friend para tulungan kami dito, no? Kasi sobrang dami nito guys, hindi ko kaya ito na ako lang mag-isa.
Dumating na ang 8! Yehey! Tawagan ko na si Ate Edith guys kasi mag-ano siya eh. Sila ang mag-assist sa akin.
Halos araw-araw guys, ganito sa bahay ni Johannes and John. Buti na lang talaga at hindi nagsabay-sabay yung mga nag-o-order sa akin guys. Dahil kapag ka nagsabay-sabay kayo magbayad sa akin pala guys, no? Maliit lang talaga yung bahay namin guys. Hindi talaga ito magkasya dito. Siguro mga 30, minsan 20. Pag medyo matumal, 10 lang yung mga pinapaship namin everyday. Nandito na nga pala guys, si Felix at si Ate Edith at tutulungan nila kami ngayon na mag-impake, mag-box nitong mga orders po ninyo para mapaship na po natin kaagad.
Think you will hide me.
Ha?
Think you will hide me.
Of course!
Yeah. No, you said so the other day, so.
Yeah, maybe this is the start of our partnership.
Yeah. You know so.
Ha? Oh.
What happened? If they're very beat up, we'll put them aside. We
Oo.
can use that for gifts or whatever.
Yes, ang mga beat up.
Oh.
Yung ibang mga sabon lang na dumating sa akin guys, siguro binabalibag ito guys, no, during the delivery. Hindi naman talaga maiwasan yan guys, no, lalo na pag sobrang bigat talaga nito. So, ang ginawa namin, sinet aside lang muna namin yan. So, habang tatrabaho kami doon guys, si Jan naman ay magluluto dito sa kusina.
Arroz con pollo with chicken thighs. It's so delicious. We have to have another round.
Another round, you heard it right. Kasi 'di ba kahapon guys, yun din yung niluto ni John at sabi ko talaga guys, this is one of the best arroz con pollo na natikman ko. At sabi ni John, why not gagawa tayo ulit at ipatikim natin sa mga nagtatrabaho dito ngayon.
Use a little bit of tallow. Simple and delicious.
Sa totoo lang guys, napakasimple ng recipe na ito. Kayang-kaya nyong gayahin. Ito lang garlic, carrots, chicken cubes, at saka chicken, at saka gagamit siguro si Jan ng chicken stock dyan mamaya, salt, pepper. Yun lang. At saka pag naluto na mamaya yung chicken at yung gulay, at saka may onion pa pala, tsaka naman ilalagyan ni Jan ito ng kanin. No, sabay-sabay niyang lutuin.
Not very chefy, but I have canned mushrooms to go in there too. And drain them now. They're so sweet. These are cute little button mushrooms. They're all going to fight me. They're all going to fight me. Cups of rice. Then go the onions. A little more flavor. That should kick it up a bit. Hopefully not ruin it. Deglaze it and keep everything from burning. usually in a hurry, so I never know how to wash the rice. I always lose it in the sink. When I watch other people wash the rice, they don't lose anything in the sink. I'm gonna add the rice. In go the mushrooms. And I'll chop it up later. Chicken's ready. Let me add the final touch.
At dahil napagod na kami guys sa ginagawa namin, it's time for lunch. Nakakatakam ang ating pagkain ngayon.
Del and
From,
Jordan.
from our tree, it's a little bitter.
Wow.
So is this the serving spoon?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's chicken.
Oh, with rice already?
With the rice already.
One dish.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Ay, ang dami ah. Wala.
Magalay, punta ka.
If you
Ha?
like
Mag-ano
salad,
ka? Videohan
you
ka
make
ka?
salad too.
Bi. Nagkuha naman ka. Sige, isa pa.
Hindi ko
1, 2, 3.
Pwede na.
Oh, wow! Ate Edith. Oh?
Ang dami
Yeah.
na. Ayan na. Ala! Ay, nahulog.
You first.
No, you go.
Thank you.
Kutsara ka ta?
Kutsara eh.
Oh, we have crispy garlic too.
Ay, lamig ba yan? Crispy
Ooh,
garlic.
garlic.
Lamig.
Rice.
Oh.
Thank you, Lord.
That's right from the Philippines also.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
You brought it from
The
here?
relative, yes.
Rice.
Or,
More rice.
Ah,
No more rice. Don't be shy.
be shy.
That's
Mag-seconds.
it for now.
Mag-seconds.
for now.
Maglagay din sila ng crunchy garlic.
Mm.
Oh, okay na na, Day. Abli na na.
Ha? Abli na ni?
Abli na.
Na. Rest.
Mm.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Ha?
So much.
Naradyo mo lang ko ni kaundaan. Okay, ikaw ang po, be.
Okay.
Ampo. Ampo.
Mag-pray ka.
What would you like to drink? Regular water
Coke.
or Coke?
No, just water.
Coke Zero?
Zero man.
Okay,
Uh,
sa ko, ah. I
Ginger,
think so.
ginger ale?
Yeah, I think so.
No sugar.
Say zero? Okay.
Zero.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
Lord.
I have zero, I have
for this.
regular ginger.
Lord, thank you sa lahat ng blessing niyo. And thank you po sa time na to at nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon para makapag extra para sa pangailangan. Thank you, Lord, sa iyong gabay at aming kaligtasan. Pampatuloy kami mabuhay na may awa ninyo at pag-ibig. Ganun din po sa aming kapwa. Kumamahal ay lagi nawang aming makamtan at inyong pagkaloob sa bawat isa. Amen.
Amen.
Ah, nang kalingkod.
Sige.
Yung,
Wow.
anong tawag dito sa ano?
This is pollo con... Arroz con pollo.
Ah,
Pollo
okay,
po.
okay.
Mm. Arroz
Murag na
con
hapit.
pollo.
Pagkain, murag na hapit nga aros kaldo.
Oh.
Wow.
Mm. Do you like
Sugar
it?
free?
Okay.
You want a glass?
Thank you.
Arroz con
Perfect.
pollo.
Aros con
You have
pollo.
a zero?
Perfect.
Dear?
Okay.
Aros con pollo.
We're having
Arroz
zero.
con pollo.
We're having zero because we're not sleeping.
Anong vlogger nyo nga? Sir,
I
doon
will
yun.
be there.
You're
Don't
gonna
do
that.
yeah, okay.
Ha?
Johannes andyan.
Yung mga video mo ngayon?
This one is so good.
Oy!
It's very delicious.
May pick out pa kayo.
Wow!
Take out yan.
I made it for him for surprise. And he's like,
Ah!
ay,
Mm-hmm.
ay caramba.
You had the surprise.
Mhm.
It's a very good dish.
The rice is very tasty.
Mm.
Okay.
Special ah.
Wow.
Special tayo pa.
Mm.
Halos bagong model itong ano niyo, bahay niyo.
No. It's a very old house.
Old na.
1945.
Can you just
Oh.
leave the kitchen?
Oh,
Ah,
the
ni-renovate
kitchen.
nyo na. Oh, everything's very upgraded. Yes.
Upgrade lang.
I think I was here
Rondo?
before this. Or something.
Yes.
Was I here
We were
before
friends
this?
for
Before this?
how many years now?
That you did
No,
the kitchen?
this was always here.
Was it?
I upgraded the counter.
Okay, okay.
Before the counter is plastic. This
Okay,
is,
yeah.
This is stone.
Okay.
Wala kang social.
Social media.
Akin na.
Ako na.
Hmm?
Ako na.
No, gamay lang dahil. Kasandok dahil. While you're there. Thank you.
So,
Yun na.
Certainly, we can't finish all this food.
Yeah.
Mapapakain ka
Gusto mo ng ano? Ito oh.
Ano naman yan?
Soon,
Ang laki
tomorrow,
naman yan.
Sige lang.
we have a meal tomorrow, and then maybe I eat tomorrow morning for Wednesday morning.
Hindi na, busog na ako.
But then
Ah?
everything goes in the garbage.
Sure ba?
Ikaw lang ba?
Kaunti lang.
Ha?
Kaunti ba?
Gusto mo ng chicken?
Yeah, you're too
Maliit
skinny.
na,
Come on.
Oh. Wala, small ito na lang.
Ito na lang oh, maghati na lang kami.
Wala na nalagay ko.
Ay, hindi ko na mabos yan.
Ubusin mo na lang doon o dalhin mo na lang. Yung ganun.
Mag-take out pa kayo mga ya.
Mapapakain ka talaga pag sa bahay, diet lang ako eh. Pag ganito ang lasa talaga, mapapakain ka talaga na.
Mapapakain ka.
Lord.
Kung sa atin ang arroz caldo man, di ba?
Aros
But the
kaldo.
chicken is kind of cut
May
small
sabaw.
and then with soup.
An egg.
This one arroz caldo, the what? Ano, say that again.
Pollo.
Yes.
The pollo is chicken,
con pollo,
right?
yes.
Arroz con pollo.
Campollo.
Aros kampo.
But it's simple. It's really, really simple. So I brown the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I have onions, carrots, garlic. When I brown the chicken, I take it out. I cook the onions, the garlic, and the carrots.
Mm-hmm.
Ayun.
Dati pa sa'yo.
Ano man? Oh, ito.
I put chicken cube. Then I add the rice, and I put the chicken back in, and let everything cook together.
Mm.
The green.
This is the easy, ano?
It is easy. The
Because-
green parsley, I forget I put the bay leaf in, which is very beneficial. But the parsley is from the garden,
Mm-hmm.
so it's like minutes fresh. I just chopped it.
Oh, make sure you have
But if you love the food, I'm very happy.
thank you. I love it.
Awesome.
You know rice.
Yeah.
It's live.
Rice is like, but for the way how it was cooked, it's
No, the
very
recipe is
good.
like very nice.
Wait, how long is gonna be going?
6 weeks
6 weeks? Okay.
till July 18, 19.
Actually, di sana.
Make sure you have like a
Ala.
solid ice in your freezer. Is this the only freezer you have, or you have other freezer?
No, I don't worry about it.
Okay.
If it dies, it dies.
Okay.
Hopefully no.
But you know what? Because we go for 6
Ako naman.
months.
No
So I make sure that the empty bottle I put in the freezer and then I put it in the
Sa ano
thing.
yun, Day?
That way my son will have time to do something with the food for 3 days.
I don't know. It acts like it wants to make eggplant, but nothing happens.
Okay.
Bigyan muna natin ng quick garden tour si Ate Edith. Alam nyo ba guys, na plantita din ito si Ate Edith. Nakapunta na ako sa garden niya at napakagaling. May green thumb din yan eh. Ayan si Kitty Midnight. Hi Kitty Midnight, we have a visitor today.
Never mind. Hi, Midnight.
Hi.
Kitty. So this is wild. This is not wild bok choy.
It's another
Bok choy.
Bak Choy.
Half lemon.
We have
Oh
calamansi.
my God. Ooh.
Here, we have
lots
guava.
of-
Our guava day, oh, namunga na. Namunga ng guava na mo. Dala, oh. This is pink guava.
God.
Look at our papaya. Lots of papayas.
So long. Oh, ganda.
Mhm.
I remember that you have a papaya over there.
Yeah.
This is short papaya. This is as tall as it gets.
Mhm.
And it makes big, huge papayas.
You big papaya.
Did you wait until it ripened?
No,
Neck-
we're using
no.
for tinola.
Yeah.
This is
I see that one time that you were like making the top of the
Tinola.
yeah. This is a first harvest.
Oh, okay.
So this no,
We have more here, oh.
next year we'll see more.
Uh-huh.
The one in the back that's money
When we get
tree.
back in August, July,
We
this
have
one, oh, is already,
a new
blooming.
avocado.
Okay.
Do you have avocado, Day?
So this is the same?
If you didn't see
Yeah,
No.
I see that.
okay.
Gosh.
Do you have avocado?
I have, but it's not high yet.
Ah,
I
okay.
started it 2 years ago.
We have a pineapple. You can harvest the blueberries, oh.
This is a peach tree. I thought it was gonna die. Now it's happier than ever.
Yeah.
Dara, oh. I think there's already ready to harvest, too.
Oh, we have
Mhm.
blueberry. Look,
Oh.
that one's a little too small.
This one, oh. This one. Nope.
Wow.
I think the birds eat these before us.
Right.
And you put the basil.
Oh, the basil's wild.
Wild.
Is it really?
It's wild.
Oh my God.
So, because they had a plant here, and then
And it comes to
this is wild. Wild.
what?
The ones in the pot, wild.
Oh.
The only one's not wild is
It's
this
over there.
over there.
Oh.
It just pops up.
Wow.
We have
Oh, there's a
peppers.
peppers.
Peppers. Mm-mm.
So soon we'll have yellow pepper. We won't be here. But it's got a lot
Yeah.
of it's got a lot of promise.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
One blueberry for you.
Wow. Well,
One blueberry for me.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
Thank you. Oh, do you have
Dili
rosemary?
aslom?
Mhm.
Yeah,
Rosemary,
rosemary.
thyme, cili,
Oh.
Oh, yeah. We have
Wild.
sili.
wild papaya.
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one just started growing.
Maybe the bird.
Maybe.
Out.
Hi guys, 10 PM na at ito na po ang kasalukuyang sitwasyon namin dito. Ayan na, nagkalingaw namin diri guys. Ganito na po ang itsura ng bahay ni Johannes andyan.
Kaya hindi mo na ako
Sabi
mahanap.
nga namin is mag-rent kami sa bahay na Ate Edith kasi malaki yung space kasi sa bahay niya. Ito dito sa amin, tignan ninyo. Oh, wala na talaga. Nagpatong-patong na nga ito.
Hanapin. Aba yun.
Tapos sinabi ko na, asan si Aida? Hala! Hindi na nila makita si Aida kaya
Makita
nakuha
si
na.
Aida. Natampok ka na si Aida.
Ay, ginoo ko. Ito pa dito, guys. Ay, kawawa naman ang bahay ni Johannes andyan. Ayan na guys, ang sitwasyon namin dito. Nag-Yossi break pa si
Pagbalik
Felix.
ninyo, magpanday. Magpanday sa... magpanday sa...
Ate Edith there suggesting we can make the porch an office.
That's the, line up ba na
O gani, diretso. Oh, stock room. Okay na guys, back to work na kami. Grabe talaga, sobrang pagod ko talaga guys. Siguro mga 5-minute break lang ito. 10:17 na, siguro until 10:30 yung break namin. Ang plano ko sana mga hanggang 12 lang tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fun, fun, fun!
How far are you gonna go? How late you gonna work?
Take out kayo guys.
Yung akin, tapos naman yung akin.
Thank you so
Bakit
much.
naman yung akin? Ay, bakit may dami yan? Oh. Nasaan yung akin? Hindi natin alam.
Ay, yung sayo, may bukog yung sayo eh.
Ayan, finally natapos na rin kami for today. Bukas ipapashipping ko na yung iba naming natapos. Maraming salamat kay Felix at kay Ate Edith sa pagsama sa akin today. Kung wala kayo ngayon, hindi ko alam kung makakaya ko ito. Makaya ko naman guys, no, pero konti lang talaga ang magagawa ko. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, sa inyong tulong na napakalaki. Baonin nyo itong napakasarap na arroz con pollo na luto ni John.
Thank you, Lord.
Ang mga bag ko.
Alam nyo ba guys, may nakausap ako na isang subscribers natin kanina at grabe mangyak-ngyak talaga siya guys, nagtiri-eye talaga siya kasi first time niya daw na makausap niya ang isa sa mga sinusubaybayan niya. Marami siyang sinusubaybayan actually, pero hindi daw siya pinapansin. Kami lang daw ni Jan ang nagpansin sa kanya. Shout out sa'yo ulit sis.
Dati napapanood lang kita. Ano ba yan? Kaya kausap na kita, video call pa. Nakaloka.
Thank you so much sa inyong mga support.
Sa Manila ako.
Sa Manila pala siya.
Oo.
So this one here is Vea Aceron. Vea Aceron, yes. That's Alesso Pink.
Sabi ko, naku, sana huwag niya muna
Italia.
i-cut off kasi first time ko mag-order sa'yo. Baka mamaya sabihin mo is camera ko.
Ay, naku, marami kasi talagang lalo na pag online, kailangan, ka talaga, huwag kang mag-click ng link, pag may mga, especially ngayon talaga, marami ngayong mga scammer.
Making lunch for Johannes and John. Adobo.
Ooh, wow.
So, the adobo doesn't normally get onion, but it's getting onion today because it's cleaning out the fridge. And get some vinegar, soy sauce, the bay leaf, my silly, few peppercorns, some sugar. Don't have any fresh garlic, so there goes the garlic. Another flip.
Nakausap na pala namin guys yung kapitbahay namin na mag-aalaga po ni Kitty Province and ni Kitty Midnight while we're not here. She will be the one to take care of them. Si Kate, yung kapitbahay namin. Kain tayo and also marami-rami na rin yung natapos natin guys na shipping today. So thank you so much Lord for all the blessings. I know na nakakapagod itong ginagawa namin but anyway, nandiyan ka namang nakagabay sa amin. Uy, wow! Hala! The adobo is adoboing.
Your sauce. That got holes in it. You don't want juice?
I want juice. Juicy juice. Wow. Adobo plus arroz con pollo. And mangga. Yung mangga ni Karen na sobrang sarap. Kain po tayo guys. Sobrang bango. Ay. Tomorrow na yung flight namin guys. And alis natin here what time? We leave 9:30, right?
Yeah, around 9:30.
Ang airport lang naman ay malapit lang naman dito sa amin guys. It's like 7 minutes.
Because
Yung
our flight's
airport.
at 11:55.
At saka hindi naman to busy ang airport dito na malapit sa amin. So okay lang. I know it's bad food because it's spiked our sugar. But really, really,
This one?
one of the best.
Adobo.
Hi guys! Update tayo. Naglalagay lang si Jan ng shutters. Ano tawag dito? Hurricane shutters dito sa ating window kasi aalis na tayo tomorrow. Ang flight namin ay 9 a.m. And kailangan kasi natin maglagay ng protection guys kasi hindi naman natin alam, di ba, na hurricane, ano kasi itong lugar namin. Kailangan may protection ang ating mga bintana. So ayan. You need my help, darling?
No, thank you.
Okay. So si Jan lang muna dito guys kasi may tinatapos pa ako ng mga i-shipping natin ngayon kasi 6:30 magko-close. Oo. Kasi 6:30 magko-close kasi guys yung UPS and USPS. May hahatid pa kami sa USPS. Pero hindi na ako, nung nakaraan kasi guys is grabe, sobra kong pag-alala na kailangan ma-sold out lahat ng, actually sold out naman talaga, technically sold out na siya. Kaso nga lang, yung iba is nakabakasyon, yung iba hindi pa nagre-reply sa aking mga text. So, kaya sabi ko, next time na lang, pagbalik ko na lang guys, aasikasuhin ko yung iba na hindi ko mapaship ngayon.
Dumpster that's cardboard only.
Okay. Guys, paalis lang kami ngayon kasi magpapashipping lang tayo. Okay. Wait lang. Tulungan lang ako ni Jan guys. Sobrang bibigat nito. Mga sabon kasi ito eh. If I put this one for Canada.
We'll have to ask them. Maybe they put it in a plastic bag.
Right. Do we go to the counter?
Yes.
Guys, excited na kami kasi 9 a.m. ang flight natin. Wala pa nga ako masyadong pahinga. Not enough rest last night. Anong oras ako natulog? Kadlaw na ako natulog last night. Mamaya mag-i-empake. You already wash our shoes, darling?
Yes, you're washed.
Okay. We have a hat. We have a shoes. Okay, wash and dry na. And I think yung mga favorite shirts ko, lalabhan ko ngayon. Favorite shirt and favorite pants, I'm gonna wash. I think we only need, we need it for the cruise. I'm thinking I only need few clothes. I didn't realize that we're going to the cruise first. Okay, so our agenda is Barcelona, Spain. Magstay po kami ng overnight. Yeah, I think we have one whole day. Okay, one whole day in Barcelona, Spain. And then we're gonna be meeting some kababayans there. And then after that, cruise on the following day. The port is just near there, no? In our hotel.
Yes.
Okay. So yung port malapit lang sa hotel namin. So mag-Uber lang tayo, darling, no? And then bibili sana ako ng mga pasalubong. Sabi ko kay John, I wanted to give my pamangkin some pasalubong. But sabi ni John, we can just find it there. Pasalubong. We don't have a place in the luggage. And also magdadala din ako ng mga MK bags kasi yung iba ko na mga customers, no? Hindi ko nabili kasi yung ibang mga bag nila dito eh. After siguro namin sa UPS guys is daan muna kami sa Publix kasi nag-order ako ng aking 1 month supply. Hopefully 3 month supply ang bibigay nila sa akin na medication. Guys, another problem. Arise. So, di ba? Arroz. We were going to pick up my medication kasi bukas na yung flight namin. So, I'm taking allopurinol for my gout, di ba? Ngayon, ang piniprescribe kasi sa akin ng aking doktor ay 100 milligrams. Pero ang dapat na i-take ko everyday ay 200 milligrams. Before, hindi pa available yung 200 milligram pill. Kaya ang binigay sa akin is 100 milligrams lang. Pero dalawa yung tinitake ko everyday. Now, meron akong bagong family doctor namin dito. Sabi niya, uy, available na ang 200 milligrams. Gusto mo mag-prescribe ako sa'yo? So sabi ko, yes, okay, gusto ko yan kasi para isang tabletas na lang iniinom ko everyday. Ngayon, hindi ko naman anticipate guys na hindi pa na-covered ng aking insurance ang 200 milligram. And then sabi namin ni John, what's the difference? They cover the 100 milligrams and then they don't cover the 200 milligram. Maybe because the 200 milligram in one pill, they only cover 100 milligrams.
Yeah, but that's just weird.
So ngayon, guys, tomorrow na yung flight ko. There's no more time. Even if I called them, they're already closed because it's 6:33 p.m. na. So wala nang open na mga clinic ngayon.
Yeah,
And
and then what time does the doctor's office open?
open at 8 or 9. And hindi naman nila yung lahat yan. Hindi naman talaga kaagad yung na-refill.
They'll
Even
never
if they're...
have time to refill
No.
it.
Because even if the doctor said or approved it, dear, even if the doctor approves it, there's no more time.
We're out of time.
And then when we go to the Publix, they will say, "Oh, it's not yet refilled. La 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 la. You have to wait for 1 hour and all."
I'm
so-
surprised that they didn't send you a message.
They didn't. Let me check. Maybe I just didn't check it. So ayun guys, next time pag mag-travel kayo, you have to make sure na you have magagalit na naman to si Jan sa akin. Jan will get mad again. Why you didn't do a research about it?
For what?
The allopurinol.
Mm.
Why you didn't call right away? Why you didn't order right away? Why you waited last minute?
Mhm.
Galit naman yun siya sa akin. You could have prevented that problem. Ready na yung mga maleta namin guys. Tignan niyo si Jan. Nandito na yung kanyang mga... So, you put check already? Okay. Ayan. Yung mga may check na, ibig sabihin, nalagay na niyo ito sa mga maleta. Meron na siyang slippers, toothpaste, Q-tip, shampoo, razor, okay, lip balm, cologne, yan. So, medication. Oh, wala pa pala akong ano kayong gagawin ko sa medication. Ay, tignan ko nga yung medication ko. Wait lang. Pumili siya ng maliit. Ganito siya kaliit. Sabi niya magdadala daw kami ng personal namin na sanitizer. Kasi every time na nagda-dine in kami sa iba-ibang lugar, hoy, we bring mask. Ala ka, hindi tayo nakabili ng mask. Kailangan din natin magdala ng pala. Tignan ko ha kung ilan yung natira. Ay! Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi guys! Good evening. Currently, it's 6 p.m. And nag-ano lang kami ni Jan guys. Nagpe-prepare lang kami ni Jan dahil tomorrow flight na natin. Buti na lang pala, naalala ko guys no, mayroon pa pala akong cash dito na siguro mga 10,000 ito guys. Kahit pa paano, di ba? Kasi pag nag-taxi-taxi tayo, di ba? Para meron tayong balon. Ayan oh. Where's my money, dear? Ayan. May 300 pa ako dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan, may 10,000 pa ako. Hala, ang daming dala ni Jan na ano, oh!
I'm gonna live forever.
Hala! Ang daming vitamins! Ginoo ko. Ganyan talaga yan si Jan.
liver health.
Liver health talaga.
Kill my liver.
Kasi palagi siyang giinom, kaya 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan, so 10,000, 100, 200, 300, 450.
Maybe it needs a little mushroom powder. Leftover wings mixed with new wings. New wings. Lily. Lala. Haha. Can't hear a word you're saying, dear. There's too much happening. Hood fan. Tossing the food. Other room.
Do we bring the oxygen machine? It's in the bag.
No, they're no good.
Okay.
I thought I threw it away. They have to be rebuilt,
Alright.
and it's not worth it. You're better off just buying a brand new one. Which they're very expensive, and usually it's insurance that pays for that. Yeah, the little wingtips are good. Crispy. You gonna have any rice?
Okay.
Chicken?
No.
That's probably gonna go to the graveyard.
Mhm. Ito yung sapatos natin. Matatanggal yung mga itim-itim nito. Ayan oh. Ang bilis niyang matanggal, guys. Grabe. Hala, umuulan na. Ayan oh. Oh. Kita nyo? Ito yung isusuot ko bukas sa airport eh. Medyo ngilong-ngilo lang. Ayan oh. Tanggal oh. Wow. Amazing. Yan oh. Oh, puti na siya, guys. Natanggal yung lagum. Hi, Midnight. Hi, Province. O, diba? Ayan, oh. Oh, okay na siya, guys. Maputi na yung sapatos natin. Oh, mamimiss ka namin. Oh. Nakakamiss yung mga pusa namin, guys. Asa na kaya si Midnight? Umiyak yun siya kagabi. Habang kinakausap ko siya, umiyak siya. Ayan, okay na yung sapatos natin. Lagay lang muna natin dito sa gilid. Province is eating too. Yep. Ayan na. Nakapag-prepare na si Jan. Uy, ininit niya rin pala yung ating adobo. Kanina nag-adobo kasi siya. Ang dami pang mga natira sa adobo natin. Are we gonna eat tomorrow morning? Or we're just gonna eat on the plane? Sa plane na lang siguro tayo kakain bukas.
Not necessarily.
No? Why are you looking at her?
Because I gave her the beef food.
Ang sarap! Mas lalong sumarap.
Little beef salad
Mm-mm.
with nothing else.
Sarap siya, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Ito po yung dinner natin. Mm. So what are you gonna do first when we arrive in Barcelona, Spain?
Go to the bar.
No, ano ba yan? Agad-agad?
Oh.
Siyempre, go to the hotel first. Tanong tayo kung ano yung magandang restaurant nearby here, no? We will ask what is the best restaurant nearby. 5-star restaurant, not 5-star restaurant, Michelin star. Our friend Juliet was here and then he said that when they went to the Michelin star restaurant, they were thinking that the price will be very expensive. They were shocked because it's very affordable. Like $20, $30. And hindi ko makita si Province at si Midnight. Mag-bye-bye sana kami sa kanila. Kaso hindi natin sila makita. So yun. And then sa lahat ng mga hindi po nakahabol sa ating Christinang at sa mga soap, sa pagbalik na lang guys ha, meron pa naman ako mga extra na bag pero hindi na ako nag-live sell kasi magpapahinga na kami ni Jan eh. Siguro matulog kami, mag-edit pa nga ako nitong vlog natin ngayon. Pinag-iisipan ko nga guys kung hindi ba talaga ako magba-vlog kapag nasa travel ako or magba-vlog pa din at hindi lang mag-upload. Kasi parang sa totoo lang guys, every time na nagta-travel kami, parang nahahati yung oras ko. Parang hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-enjoy, parang hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-moment, no? Kapag nagta-travel kasi parang aligaga ako na wala akong content, wala akong mai-upload. Pero siguro ang gagawin ko is, kung kaya ko lang naman kaya ko lang naman, wala muna siguro tayong vlog, hindi muna ako mag-a-upload, i-enjoy ko lang muna ang moment with John, and then siguro mag-store na lang tayo ng maraming memories, no? Kasi meron naman akong 1 terabyte eh. So, maraming memories talaga ang ma-store natin dyan. And sa cellphone pa natin, may dalawa akong cellphone na tigwa 1 terabyte. And then ito pang aking 1 terabyte din tong aking SD card dito. Ginagamit ko ngayon itong ating DJI 1 terabyte din to. So, mayroon akong a total of 3 terabyte and then meron pa akong ang tawag dyan guys, yung nag-pay ka ng extra ba sa Apple, 'di ba may ganyan, extra storage. Ayan, nagbili din ako ng 1 terabyte. So parang 2, 3, may 4 terabytes na ako. So marami na akong mai-store. Siguro magpo-post na ako ng mga stories or mag-post tayo ng mga tawag nito stories, mga pictures lang or mga reels or mga shorts, yung mga seconds lang ng mga videos, parang update lang ba. So, yun kasi para ma-enjoy natin ang moment. Pero parang hindi pa rin ma-enjoy na kasi mag-video ka pa din naman. Pero at least hindi ka mag-edit. 'Di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang guys, no, ang pinakamahirap talaga sa vlogging is editing. Oo. Kung pwede nga lang i-upload yung mga pagkakamali mo, okay lang na. Yung parang no, filter, no editing vlog. Kung pwede nga lang ganyan, kaso nga lang hindi pwede. Kasi minsan nakakapagsalita tayo ng mga hindi maganda na kailangan i-cut out. 'Di ba? Kung hindi, otherwise, ma-demonetize ka talaga. No? So, ayun, pinakamahirap sa vlogging guys is editing. Siguro, pansamantala munang mag-bye-bye, paalam vlog muna tayo, no? Para makapag-focus tayo, no? Makapag-enjoy tayo, ayan, makamit tayo ng maraming kababayan. Travel natin, di ba, Barcelona to Malta to Turkey. Siguro mga 3 days, pwede na tayo mag-upload. 3 days or 4 days. Okay, mga 3 days, 4 days, pahinga. Di ba, parang day off. Kasi, grabe, hindi na talaga day off, no? Tuloy-tuloy talaga, parang everyday talaga ang upload ko. Parang may 2 araw lang sa isang buwan na hindi ako nakapag-upload. Yun yung parang pagod na talaga ako yung maraming deliveries. So, Johannes, enjoy mo tong moment na to, magbakasyon ka, mag-enjoy kayo ni Jan, no? Dahil pagbalik nyo na naman dito galing sa inyong bakasyon is bugbog trabaho ka na naman. Sub trabaho ka na naman. So, thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you again. See you when we see you. See you in Europe. Bye-bye!